I'm at Dr. Karram's office, Dr. Mickey Karram, and I am here to get a procedure done on my female anatomy called Empower. I am 45 years old. I've had 2 natural childbirths, and just like everything else on your body, things start to change a little bit when you get older, and they change with, childbirth. I'm a single mother, and I'm just trying to restore things back to, their perfect shape and condition that they were in 20 years ago. It really doesn't feel like anything. To be honest, I can text on my phone, continue to work. It's a little bit warm, but it's way less uncomfortable than like a regular, vaginal procedure, like a pap smear or something like that. There's no pain. It's really nothing. One of my biggest issues was yoga pants. And I did not like wearing yoga pants. Immediately after the first treatment, like my boyfriend of 2 years definitely said that it was a little bit different. I have a friend who has children that she had naturally, and I could never make her laugh because she would just pee her pants. She would always leak. She had the treatment and that has stopped. So I know that's a big one for ladies that are getting older, that have had kids. So you can stop peeing your pants, it's possible. There's no downtime. It doesn't hurt. It takes about 30 minutes. I think it took me longer yesterday to get Botox in this whole face. And it's painless. So it's really, there's no reason not to, and it's totally worth it. So I would totally recommend this to all my friends. It's totally upped my yoga pant game. I wish that I could explain exactly how it did that, but that's way too scientific, so I'm gonna leave that to Dr. Karram.
The EmpowerRF platform has multiple modalities that address a variety of pelvic issues that women suffer from. I had the opportunity to treat Amanza Smith, who's had 2 previous vaginal deliveries and was suffering from some quality of life issues related to her pelvic floor and her vaginal tissue. We used a combination of electromuscular stimulation to the pelvic floor and bipolar radiofrequency treatment to the vaginal skin, and she's done fantastic. And she's had a tremendous improvement in her quality of life, and we're so happy she's willing to talk about the treatments that she's had, and I'm very fortunate that I had the opportunity to treat her.